This is the ES21 micro precision cordless screwdriver, battery operated, USB charging, and more. Let's open up the box, show you what you get inside and what it's all about. Check online for further details about your product. As we open up the box, everything is laid out nicely. You have your USB-C cord, your magnetizer and demagnetizer tool. This is called the magnetic mat. You have spaces that you can put all your little screws and everything on. Go over the ES21 instruction manual. And opening up the case is a simple push and pull. You have your pen-like screwdriver, a tweezers, and all your precision screwdrivers, flatheads, and more. The pen automatically comes fully charged. You can see all the lights on there. In order to charge the unit up, you simply plug in the cable and your power bank. The pen, aluminum alloy body, gray. Your controls, charging port, display window. Your bit application. On the tip inside will be a light, as you can see me pressing the light on and off. This is your battery indicator, your light, and your gear change from 5 down to 1. Press on the indicator, short press to go down in the gears, and once chosen, press the forward or reverse, and you'll be locked in that gear. You can turn on and off your light. In order to, again, change the gear, it's a long press, and once you're on the gear you like, press one of the buttons. When you press, you see the battery indicator. If and when not using your pen, it has a sleep mode of 5 minutes and automatically shuts off. The case is magnetic, and if you turn around to the other side, you have many other bits as well. We're looking for a specific bit to take off the product. We're going to use a Phillips. Simply take out, as you can see, is magnetically in there. And when you place it back in, it locks into place. We have all Allen keys and we have a Phillips screw that we're going to loosen and tighten. Simply slide in, press over the unit, and unscrew. If the screw doesn't come out, you take the magnetic magnetizer and you're simply able to grab the screw, loosen up, and take out. It's strong enough to hold the screw. To place back on is simple as finding the hole, choosing a soft gear, and locking into place. It has a torque memory that will stop. When it hits its torque, it is slowed down and won't turn anymore. If you need to apply more pressure, long press and cycle through to the amount that you are looking for. If you carefully lift out the tweezers, it's got a nice fine point, and behind the tweezers you have another item, the little spatula. The tweezers points go down below and in correctly. Everything will fit into its case nicely. This area of interest is the locking mechanism. So when you put in the pieces and you snap it in, it stays locked. It's a push system that you pull out. Every single time you're ready to use your unit, just simply grab from the tip, pull out, Grab a screw, a bit, place in, and ready to use the next time. Remember, this little tray here is a magnet area to hold all your screws. So if you're looking for a specific bit that maybe you want to tighten up your knife and lock down, the ES21 has over voltage protection to shut the unit down in case it overheats and overcharges. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is something that you are looking for your hobby needs, opening up smartphones, fixing small cars, small items, anywhere that you need to have an electronic battery operated controlled screwdriver. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.